Crash course on Austria. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Austria boasts a unique geolocation, offering stunning natural landscapes and abundant opportunities for outdoor adventures. Let me share some exciting stories to ignite your wanderlust, followed by a list of the top 12 attractions for nature lovers in Austria. Exciting stories. 1. The Mighty Alps. Austria is home to a significant portion of the majestic Alps, providing a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and mountaineers from around the world. 2. Crystal clear lakes. The country is blessed with numerous crystal clear lakes, such as Lake Wolfgangsee and Lake Hallstatt, perfect for swimming, boating, and relaxation. 3. Green meadows and pastures. Explore the picturesque green meadows and pastures, where cows graze peacefully, creating a postcard-worthy scene. Top 12 attractions for nature lovers. 1. Hohe National Park, the largest national park in Austria, encompassing glaciers, waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. 2. Großglockner. Embark on a journey to Austria's highest peak, the Großglockner, and marvel at its breathtaking vistas. 3. Krimml Waterfalls. Witness the impressive Krimml Waterfalls, one of the highest in Europe, with its roaring cascade. 4. Lake Neusiedl. Visit Lake Neusiedl, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, perfect for birdwatching and sailing. 5. Dockstein Ice Cave. Explore the captivating world of ice and rock in the Dockstein Ice Cave. 6. Zalem. Enjoy the idyllic beauty of Zalem, a charming lakeside town with stunning mountain views. 7. Gesaws National Park. Discover the rugged beauty of Gesaws National Park, featuring narrow gorges and ancient forests. 8. Liechtenstein Gorge. Hike through the Liechtenstein Gorge, a natural wonder of cascading water and moss-covered rocks. 9. Vordersee. Relax by the shores of Vordersee, a sparkling lake surrounded by lush greenery. 10. Skofberg. Take a nostalgic ride on the Skofbergbahn train to the top of Skofberg for panoramic views. 11. Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave. Venture into the Eisriesenwelt, the largest ice cave on Earth, offering a mesmerizing frozen world. 12. Ötztal. Explore the Ötztal, a valley of outdoor adventures, including hiking, skiing, and climbing. Summarizing this writing, Austria's geolocation provides a wealth of natural wonders, from the magnificent Alps to the serene lakes and charming valleys. It is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike, offering an array of opportunities for unforgettable adventures. And now, a poem to celebrate Austria's natural beauty. Among the alpine peaks that soar, Austria's landscapes, we adore. Majestic mountains touch the sky, where eagles and adventurers fly. Crystal lakes, so clear and bright, reflect the stars on summer nights. Green meadows where the cows graze, a tranquil scene that forever stays. Hohe Tauerns Park, a vast domain. Wildlife roams, free from restraint. Großglockner's Peak, in splendor dressed. Nature's throne, a timeless quest. Krimml's Waterfalls, a grand cascade. A roaring force, a serenade. Dockstein's Ice, a frozen maze. A wonderland of ancient days. In Zalem, the mountain's kiss. A lake's embrace, a moment's bliss. Gesaws Park, a rugged sight. Nature's heart, fierce and bright. Liechtenstein Gorge, a passage tight, where nature's art shows pure delight. Vordersee, a tranquil song, where souls find peace, where hearts belong. Skofberg's train, a journey grand, to views that stretch to distant lands. Eisriesenwelt's icy glow, a frozen realm where dreams may grow. Ötztal's Valley, a haven fair, where nature weaves its magic rare. In Austria's embrace, we find a wondrous world, forever kind. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.